Well, so here we are outside, November in Minnesota, but this is a really good time to get our furniture all ready to pack up for the winter. So I've got a large ottoman here, and it's got some staining, some on top and some around the edges. It's really easy to get rid of that. We are going to clean this today with bleach, and regular bleach, chlorine, bleach. That's what we need for this. So we'll have a gallon of water, a cup of bleach, and a quarter cup of soap. You could put it in a squirt bottle. I like to use a bucket and a sponge because we want to apply this liberally. So I've got my sponge, I've got my bleach, water, and soap solution. I'm going to get the sponge good and saturated, and then I'm going to apply it over the whole side. I'm going to be generous. All right, we're going to let that sit for 15 minutes and we'll hose it off. There. So I'm just going to rinse this all off.